Cavalier.
What's up, YouTube? I had my first fan point me out today. That's pretty cool. And I'm all the way in New Mexico at a ranch called Philmont. And this is my third day hiking. We've hiked like 25 miles so far. And yeah, I'm gonna be fishing for brook trout, brown trout, in this stream right here. I'm using a top water and a dropper. And yeah, I'm gonna try and go as far up as I can and catch as many fish as I can for y'all. Keep it interesting. So stay tuned. I'm gonna kind of teach y'all how to do fly fishing a little bit. It's different than bass fishing, so yeah, I can't wait to get into it. And stay tuned. We're gonna catch a lot of fish. Oh, did y'all see that? Holy crap, the second it hit the water, that thing died. Oh, I gotta get some water on my hands. Oh, shoot. Shit. Get this off. I didn't even mean to do that. Crap. Oh, I'm so sorry. Did you see that, guys? It's a pretty cool brook trout. I'm gonna get this back in the water as fast as I can because I feel so terrible about that. Whew. That's pretty cool. Let's get a picture. Find out, catch one again. There he goes. That was scary. I did not mean to do that at all. Like, that was, I was gonna recast and it bit it. When I'm trout fishing, I'm looking for eddies like this little calm pocket, and I'm looking for those white bubbles right there because that's kind of where the trout are feeding. So what I do is I try to get somewhere open, like right there. I'll cast straight in there and just wait for a bite. And when I reel in, I just kind of pull it in and let it look like it's just going down the stream, because that's what. Whatever. Oh, I got one. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice fish. Oh yeah, that is cool. That is real cool. I'm gonna get my hands wet. Okay. So I got me a little brown trout, it looks like. Let me grab him up there. Just barely got him hooked. It's a nice little fish. Let's get a picture of me and him. Right there. There you go. I'm gonna release him. got one. There we go. Got another one. That's nice. Get my hands wet right quick. Where is he at? There he is. This is a brook trout. This is a pretty fish. Look at those colors. See, the brook trout have those little white dot or red dots right there. Little brown dots. I'm letting him back. There he goes. Pretty fish. Pretty fish. Toss this in. Nope. I popped that fly off. Oh, it's still there. It's a strong ass tippet. Oh, I have a fish. What the heck? Yeah, this is how I catch fish. Oh, it's a beautiful rainbow. Oh man, that's pretty. Y'all see that? Yeah, so I just kind of let my dropper just sit in the water, and this rainbow took it. It's a cute fish. Really beautiful. Caught 3 different types of trout. I caught a rainbow, a brook trout, and a brown trout. And I'm really liking this. This is so much fun. And I'm trying to get one more fish in before I have to head back. I only have an hour, and it's probably been over an hour. So I'm gonna fish this just a little bit. I bet I can catch something right there. And yeah, I'll get back to you in a minute. Hopefully I can catch something. I've had a really good day, and this is some fun fishing.
Cavalier.